This one-story immaculate 4-bedroom, office and 3-bath home with an open triple split floor plan boasts a gourmet kitchen with stainless appliances and eating nook, a huge owner's suite with a glamour master bath with dual vanity, oversized walk-in shower, large soaking tub, and custom-built walk-in closet. Bedroom 2 features ensuite bath west/shower. Bedroom 3 features standard closet and bedroom 4 features a walk-in closet, spacious formal dining with large windows, large open family room with 12-foot sliders. Additional cooking area in the garage, sink in the garage, tile floor in the garage and the cove the lanai. It has custom landscaping, a widened pavered drive, side-load garage entering into the large utility/laundry room with custom cabinets and countertop, plus a large drop-off mud room station. Designed for large family gatherings, and large picture frame screened lanai, plenty of room for seating with panoramic screening. Lake Mariana Reserve is an intimate, quaint, gated community with a community dock, playground, basketball court, and a low HOA. Option to purchase this home fully furnished is available. Easy access to shopping, eating and I-4. Virtual tour link, https://my.matterport.com/show/?m=your oj ypjpvdf